What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Michael and on this channel I am reviewing gadgets, different stuff from Amazon. I am teaching you how to sell on Amazon, how to source these products, and also how to rewire your mindset, get rid of old programming and set up new successful habits in your life. Okay, so if you are interested in those stuff, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video to show me you appreciate the content and you want more of it. And other than that, let's get started. So today I am actually unboxing or unpacking this product that I got from Amazon, and that is an Acupuncture Mat set, which has been launched by one of my Amazon students, as I'm really interested actually how they have done it. So yes, I'm not probably going to be able to show you the entire product simply because I'm lacking space here, but I will post the link to this product below the video. If you want, you can grab it on Amazon, and apparently this is a set of acupressure mat and pillow along with an e-guide on body pain and how to avoid it, and also 2 massage balls presumably. So let's get it unpacked and we will get started. So I'm just going to tear this apart, to take it out of that foil. Okay, so it's in nice green color. It's got this nice logo here on the pouch or the carry bag. It's not heavy actually. Okay, you can take it with you to a hotel, to on holiday or wherever. And let me just take the stuff. Ouch. Okay, it's got some spikes. Let me take it out. By the way, it comes also with a hot, let me just get this out. Okay, so it's nicely packed. I'm already felt the power of Acupressure Mat. It also has inside the box, it also has this cold pack, hot and cold pack, so that's a nice touch to it. You can use it to relieve pain as well. Ouch, that's I put this to the side for now. Hot and cold pack, and you've got those 2 massage balls, which are actually, they are not soft at all, so they are going to massage you actually quite well, and you can use this on different parts of the body. You have 2 of them, so one for you, one for your husband, wife, or significant other as they call it. Ouch. Okay, and now let's get to the meat of this video, which is the acupuncture mat. So I'm just going to put this to the side right now so it's not in our way. And this is the mat. Okay, so this is the pillow. It's got those spikes. Now I am scared to do a full review of it, but I will do my best. It's actually quite spiky. Okay, I know you can't see it on the video, but if I put a little bit of pressure, it's actually quite spiky. Those spikes are not soft. Okay, they are made of PVC, plastic, or whatever that material is, so it's going to massage you very well, so you need to be prepared for it. But presumably I'm guessing you know already what you are doing. And it's got this memory foam or foam inside. Okay, so I think you can actually take this off and put it in a washing machine. Okay, so that's going to be our pillow. It's not that big. Let me just take the tape measure and I will check. Okay, welcome back. So like I said, it's not that big, so let's have a look. The size of it is 37 centimeters by around 15, which corresponds to what it says in the listing, by 10. The height is 10. So yeah, but that's, I think more than enough to put your head on it, to be honest. So that's going to be the pillow. I'll put it to the side, and that's going to be a mat. Hopefully you can see it. That's my hands. Again, same spikes. And the mat itself is actually 70 centimeters, or 72 it says in the listing, by 40 centimeters. By 42 it says in the listing, so around 70 by 40. Okay, and it's quite heavy. I am actually hoping, yes, you can actually, it's got those things here, you can take it out and hopefully you can wash it in a washing machine. There should be some washing instructions in the listing. Ouch. Okay, that's going to be interesting. So that is the mat, Acupressure mat, and ouch, pillows and pillow set with hot and cold pack and 2 massage balls. The massage ball spikes are like very, very soft. Now this one, presumably it is supposed to be massaging you, okay? So it needs to be spiky, okay? So good luck with this. I'll put the link to this product below this video, and let me know if you have any questions, comments, and other than that, I'll try to do a long-term review of this product soon on my channel, so stay tuned, subscribe for more videos like this, and also to learn how to sell on Amazon, how to source these products on Amazon, and also how to rewire your mindset for success. Okay, thanks so much. Until next video, stay tuned. Bye bye.